sides because the...
Is it on live?
Yeah.
Okay, you're not talking.
Well, I'm not talking. Yeah, I know. I'm getting ready to.
Okay.
So, anyways, this is my usual arrows. You can see this one here. The tip broke. I've just kept it around. This one I shot a long time ago.
Our first anniversary.
Our first anniversary up in Flagstaff. Shot this one, so I've kept it around. So there's some arrows that I'll keep around for sentimental purposes. One Ken Bob arrow I shot as well. But I usually use some 2-feather fletching. This one here I'm going to demonstrate today. Dove season's coming up in a couple weeks. Dove season's coming up in a couple weeks. And so this one here is a 4-feather fletching. And this has on the tip, it has some of my pitch glue. I still have to make some more pitch glue. I ran out and I need to run some to the back as well that secures this in even tighter, and this is all held together with some elk sinew. Same way with elk sinew here. And I use arrowweed for my shafts. I'll do a video maybe this winter showing how I go and collect that. And you can use, I use also like rosewood, some other woods like that. And so these pieces here are some river cane. You just score it and then break it in pieces like this. So the design of this arrow here is that it's going to have a lot of energy going up and going up fast to hit the bird in flight, and then it comes down like a parachute, and so it loses its energy fairly quickly, so that way you're not chasing after an arrow. I used to make these with the real wide feathers for fletching, and back in the day I didn't used to use these little batons here. I just put a pebble, a small pebble, and a big glob of my pitch glue on there, and I would shoot the birds with that. But I haven't been shooting very much, so this is probably kind of like a little training wheels. A little bit makes it easier for you to hit the birds. And so generally you'll just hide in a blind or by some bushes where the dove are going back and forth, flying in, and so they'll be flying in, and then you'll just come up and then shoot them as they're coming in. So anyways, I'll show you. I'll just shoot it up in the air and show you how effective these are, traditional arrows.
So how am I supposed to get the span of the...
We'll just shoot it.
Yeah, do it like that.
The camera
Okay.
It's not going to go real high, right? It'll go pretty quick. So you'll...
Yeah, that went good. Okay.
So anyways, now you guys are able to see that even though you put a big piece like that on the front there, you're able to, and it's very effective. You hit the doves and it'll just knock them right out of there.
Yeah, do it again. Cool.
Thanks for watching.